Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at gold and the dollar, starting with the dollar on the hourly, we're seeing a bit of a role reversal in the sense that we had a pullback, normal healthy consolidation, a bullish reversal hammer on the hourly, pretty weak confirmation, lack of follow through. So this does look like a potential bear flag on the hourly time frame for the dollar. And if we pull back and break this 103.14 support, that will be confirmed. So we're used to the dollar seeing bull flags, and we've seen plenty of them. This longer term bull flag, and then after the breakout, bull flag of consolidation before continuation. But after that big dump, we're now looking like a bear flag is forming, which could indicate more consolidation is coming. So we look at the daily time frame for the dollar, and we see a bearish reversal, inverted hammer forming after the bull break and higher highs were hit. So a red day tomorrow will confirm that, and we're looking at the low of the last consolidation, 102.52, as a very important level for the bulls to maintain. So we look at the gold chart here. We have our bullish reversal candlestick confirmed, a nice 3-hour bull break on an oversold bounce. We consolidate, looks like a bull flag of consolidation on this little bull break. And if we get up and break 1133.12, that will be a higher low and a higher high, and the bounce will be underway. Now, it's important to note that gold did hold the low back here of 1122.51. And although the dollar broke to higher highs, gold did not break to the lower lows looking at that level. So what that does is it puts on the daily chart, rather than it being a potential another bear flag, which at this point it still could be, but we have our low, a little bounce, a weak bounce, now a higher low, and the bulls need to break to a higher high by breaking 1142.20. That is what they need on the daily time frame. We would likely see a bullish MACD cross, and we would see this oversold RSI come off of oversold levels if we could break 1142.20. So the higher low is now in place on the daily, need that higher high, and then that 10-day moving average resistance, which keeps rejecting the price, will come into play as it approaches the mid 1140s. So the bulls really need a big day tomorrow for gold. We have not seen a nice day for the bulls trying to turn around this trend in a very long time. So it's a very important day, and the dollar bulls, I should say the gold bulls, want to see the dollar confirm this bearish reversal candlestick with a red day. So keep an eye on these miners. Let's check JNUG, and we've got a bullish reversal candlestick on increasing bull volume after a gap down open. So this gap down was for buying today, and if we get another green candlestick, we will confirm the oversold bounce is underway. RSI is now under 30 on JNUG, and we look at NUGT, bullish reversal candlestick. The difference here, look at the low of 555, and we did break that by 4 pennies, but it's a little bit more of an established support, whereas if you compare it to JNUG, very clear lower low break. So a little bit more bullish on NUGT, increase in bull volume, and looking for the RSI. You can see the RSI never did get under 30, so JNUG a little bit more oversold because it's been weaker. And the bulls now need to break the high of Friday. 629 for NUGT, and for JNUG, up at 478 and looking to head towards filling that gap. So keeping an eye on the bull miners for a short-term oversold bounce. And we're looking at the breakout bear miners looking to confirm a short-term normal healthy consolidation now that we've lost the upper Bollinger Band and we've lost breakout mode. And let's just check in on Dust to see if we've lost the upper Bollinger Band here as well, and we have. So both names have lost the upper Bollinger Band, and we are now looking to consolidate. We have a gap to fill to watch for the bears and the bulls. They all have gaps at that level. So watching to see if that fills, and it's all about the dollar weakness and, in result, gold strength. So very interesting day coming tomorrow. Keep an eye on those bulls, and again, need to have a stop loss in place on every trade, but especially when you're trading against the trend, as we anticipate this move to be short-lived, but we are due for a bounce to cool off oversold conditions. So we'll see how it plays out tomorrow, and we'll check back in. Definitely worth watching JNUG and JDST. And the bulls of gold would love to wake up to see this support of 103.14 broken by the dollar and lower lows on this pullback. Thanks for watching. We'll check back in. See you then.